Here we are, guys. It's almost 12 o'clock. It's almost our time to shine. It's almost our time to shine. I think it's at 1, but they told us to be here for 12. Yeah. So that's what we're doing. We're waiting to get told the details, what we got to do, when we're going to do it. Blah, 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 blah.
Here we go, guys.
Hey, Larry. We're back here at the Northeast Hardscape Installer Championships. What do you think?
I'm very pumped. A good crowd. Look at the people in the stands.
I think half of them are here just eyeballing it for next year's competition. What do you think?
You know, the $10,000 first prize, I don't blame them.
You know, and even if you make it to the 4th, you get to go to bed tonight with $1,000 under your pillow.
Not a bad day's work, right?
On pad 1. To my left. Triple braided cord, Henderson Hardscapes, Oxford, Massachusetts. Give it up for him.
Woo!
To my left. Triple braided cord, Henderson Hardscapes, Oxford, Massachusetts. Give it up for him. On pad 2, Brothers Team, Brothers Landscaping from Revere, Massachusetts. Back over this end, over here. On pad 3, Hardscaping Essentials, the winners of last year's competition, Mike Darling Construction out of Troy, New York. Pad 4, CMN Hardscaping, Auburn, Massachusetts. Shout out for Auburn, I'm from Auburn. On pad 5, Team Monaco, Tony Monaco. Tony Monaco. You say it even better than I can. Tony Monaco, Middletown, New York. And last but not least, on pad 6, the A team, H.M. Suarez, out of Tewksbury, Massachusetts. 4 teams out of Mass, 2 teams out of New York. Several other New York competitors in this competition. Some folks from Pennsylvania, some folks from Algonquin, Maine. We've got competitors represented in the Northeast. What do you think, Larry?
I think we have a great representation.
Absolutely, 100%. So without further ado, we're going to get going. Make sure safety is essential here. And on the whistle blow, we're going to get going. Start in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, we're off to the races. We got 60 minutes to complete this project. The project consists of a pillar, which is what you're seeing me build right now, made out of split-face concrete block corners. 4 corner pieces makes a row, and I think it was about 3 to 4 feet high. I forget. I think it was 6 rows, so 3 feet high. 3 feet pillars. And then 8 by 10 foot patio that goes around the pillars. And we decided to start with the pillar first, get that built, and then build the patio around it. So we got our whole area kind of squared off, and that pillar is going to mark our bottom left corner of the entire build. So I'm going to stack up all these blocks here while Ben spreads out some sand, so that when we get to the point where we're screeding for the patio, we're going to have sand ready, and then the pillar will be built, and we can just screed and worry about laying pavers. Okay, we're moving. This is a 60-minute competition. We got 60 minutes to build this, and we're coming up to our halfway mark in a few minutes here. We got our granite pillar built and capped, and now we're setting up our screed rails so that we can screed the sand and start laying our pavers.
So we are in our 30-minute mark. This is what they got so far in 30 minutes. Looks pretty good. Looks like we'll be able to do a little bit of finesse.
All right, we're 30 minutes in, 30 minutes to go. We have our pillar built, it's capped, and we have our pavers laid down, and we're off to the races here. It's a running bond, Holland stone kind of paver. Holland stone paver is like a 4x8 inch paver. And it's just running straight with a double border, one being a soldier border and one being a sailor. So that's all we're doing now. We're just laying out brick as fast as we can.
So we're close to the 5 minutes. It's getting tight.
Okay, we're coming to the end of the 60 minutes, pretty close here. I'm just coming around the back side with putting the rest of the edging in to restrain the pavers. Unfortunately, there was one step in this process that we did not end up having time for, and that was to put sand into all the joints and compact the patio. I just ran short of time on being able to do that. The 60 minutes definitely went by pretty quick, and it was tough to get done what we did get done, but we got the whole patio laid, pillar built, and edging restraint installed, but we missed the sand on the patio and compacting the patio.
2, 1, step away from the pads.
No more tool handling or anything?
Pulling apart the last one, boys. Pulling apart that last one, and the judges are putting together their final measurements, huh, buddy? Final measurements.
They all left, actually.
Yeah, they went over to the
Deliberation room.
cafe area to deliberate on the winners. Okay, so unfortunately, everyone, we did not make it into the Final Four. I think a big reason why we didn't make it is simply because we didn't get to finish the project. As I told you, we had to put sand in the paver joints and compact the patio with a plate compactor, and we just didn't quite have enough time to do that. So we didn't qualify for the final round, which was the next day, but we will definitely be back again next year to try our hand at another shot at winning the 10,000 or even getting to the Final Four. But either way, it was a great day. If you haven't seen the first part of this video, there's a first part where the other teams competed before us, and we got to just walk around a little bit and enjoy the expo. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the little insider perspective, I guess, of a landscape construction contractor at an expo like this. It's definitely fun seeing all the tools and seeing other contractors, networking, meeting some new people, and also connecting with other people that you've seen before. So, again, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like and subscribe if you did, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.